Hi guys, I want to share this video about copy holder or copy machine. This copy machine or copy holder, it is the proper removal of hull or husk from the dried parchment, copy or dried coffee cherry, which contribute in the productions of high quality coffee production. Incorrect calibrations or adjustment of coffee holders may result to damage or to broken beans that will later lead to cup quality loss. And guys, this machine is very common in our locality and also very useful, especially if you have coffee production. And this video is for educational purposes only.